how close are we to getting into the roots of this crime, or tip of the iceberg lang ito, Secretary?
We suspect there are 10 other manufacturing sites all over the country. May intelligence na kami at hindi na namin nilalapitan. Pero it will come in the next few days or next few weeks, makukuha na namin lahat yan.
Are you suspecting na isang malaking sindikato or grupo lang ito? And if ever, sila din ba yung nasa likod ng 10 iba pang manufacturing plants na nabanggit nyo kanina?
We cannot answer that with great definition. But we suspect there are 2 northern Luzon politicians behind it. We are still investigating. Hindi ko mabibigay pangalan nila. But we suspect that there are politicians behind this.
Behind this, as in sila po yung mastermind or
Yes.
nagbigay ng permits?
Sila ang mastermind, sila ang financier.
Sir, nabanggit ko kanina, mastermind, financier, merong Northern Luzon officials. Pwede po bang malaman, konsehal, mayor,
Saka na, basta ma-cover na namin yung lahat.
financier, sir, ibig sabihin talagang, nagbibigay,
The entire ecosystem. Hawak na lang yung entire ecosystem ng illegal tobacco.
hindi lang po ba dito sa Central Luzon, sir?
Basta Luzon-based yung mga